Dear students, I am taking chapter 8 trigonometry of 10th standard. So, trigonometry, tri plus gon plus metron. Tri means 3, gon means sides, metron means measure, measurement. So, trigonometry is that branch of mathematics in which we study about the ratio of the sides of a right angle triangle in terms of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So it means it is the definition of a trigonometry. It is that branch of mathematics in which we study about the ratio of the sides of a right angle triangle in terms of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So we are making a right angle triangle A, B, C. It is a 90 degree. Opposite sides of 90 degree is hypotenuse. This is the theta. It is the base. Opposite sides perpendicular. It is denoted by P. It is denoted by B. It is denoted by H. So, for the calculation of a trigonometry questions, first of all, you should be well known about the Pythagoras theorem. So, in a right angle triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem means PGT, hypotenuse H square equal to P square plus B square. Now, sin theta perpendicular over hypotenuse, cos theta base over hypotenuse, tan theta perpendicular base, cot theta base over perpendicular, sec theta hypotenuse over base, cosec theta hypotenuse over perpendicular. So these formulae will be learnt by short formula. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले। साइन कॉस टेन cot sec cosec. So sin theta perpendicular hypotenuse, cos theta base over hypotenuse, tan theta perpendicular base, cot theta base over perpendicular, sec theta hypotenuse over base, cosec theta hypotenuse over perpendicular. In with the help of this formula you can learn these formulas. So I am giving a question to you related to trigonometry. So, are you getting my point? If you have any queries, you write in the comment box. So, I am giving a question to you related to trigonometry. So, first question is, question 1. If sin theta equal to under root 3/2, find cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. So I am giving a solution. First of all, you make a right angle triangle ABC. It is the theta. Sin theta under root 3/2. Under root 3/2. It means perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular is under root 3. Under root 3. Base and hypotenuse 2. Base is question mark. In right angle triangle, ABC by PGT. PGT means Pythagoras theorem. H square equal to P square plus B square. 2 square P under root 3 square plus B square implies that 4 3 implies that B square equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1 implies that B equal to under root 1 equal to 1. So base equal to 1. Base equal to 1. Now cos theta base over hypotenuse. Base over hypotenuse, it means 1/2. Tan theta perpendicular base, it means perpendicular base, it means under root 3/1. Under root 3. Cot theta base over perpendicular 1 upon under root 3. Sec theta hypotenuse over base 2 upon 1 equal to 2. Cosec theta hypotenuse over perpendicular 2 upon 1 2 upon under root 3. So in this manner you can find the all trigonometric ratios with the help of this, with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So 2 okay, this is the perfect solution. you can solve exercise 8.1 of NCERT 10th standard on yourself. Now I am solving exercise 8.1 on the basis of trigonometry. I am giving a solution of question number 1 of exercise 8.1 NCERT 10th standard. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. First of all, you make a right angle triangle. It is the B, A, C, A, C. It is a 90 degree. Now, AB equal to 24 centimeter. BC equal to 7 centimeter. Hypotenuse equal to question mark. Solution, I am giving a solution in right angle triangle ABC by PGT. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse square equal to base 24 square plus 7 square equal to 576 plus 49 625 implies that h square equal to 625 implies that h equal to under root 625 equal to 25 centimeter. So it is at 25 centimeter. Now we have to reply the answer question number 1. Sin A. Sin A, it is the A. For this angle, it is the base, it is the perpendicular, it is the hypotenuse. So sin A equal to perpendicular of hypotenuse. Perpendicular means BC upon AC. BC means 7 upon 25. Cos A. Cos A base over hypotenuse equal to 24 upon 25. Similarly, you can find second part. Second part. Sin C perpendicular over hypotenuse. For making this angle, it is the base, it is the perpendicular, it is the hypotenuse. So perpendicular 24 upon 25. Cos C base over hypotenuse, it means 7 upon 25. Answer is over. So write down notebook. I am giving a few seconds to you. Now attending question number 2. Now I am giving a solution of question number 2 of exercise 8.1 NCERT 10th standard. Find tan P minus cot R in the given figure. I am giving a solution in right angle triangle PQR by PGT. H square P square plus B square 13 square P 12 square B square. Now opposite sides of 90 degree, it is the hypotenuse, and for angle R, it is the perpendicular. Angle P, it is the perpendicular. It is the base. Angle R, it is the base. It is the perpendicular. So B square equal to 169,144 B square implies that B square equal to 169 minus 144 25 implies that B equal to under root 25 equal to 5 centimeter. Now tan P minus cot R. Tan P for angle this P perpendicular base QR means it is the 5 centimeter. So tan P perpendicular base QR upon PQ minus cot R base over perpendicular QR upon PQ. It means 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12 cancel out equal to 0. That is the right answer. So write down on notebook and I attend next question. So I will attend third up to 11 questions of exercise 8.1 in the next lecture.